Come on.
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Hurry up with that. Do it. I like to see just a big shove up real quick, and I'll be like, all right. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? That's what we need. That would be good. Just to get a little oomph in there. Oops. Mm. Yeah. Keep pushing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's go. Give us a nice pop up, then we'll get a little confirmation that this is going to run and I can just let it go. You know? There's a pop. How do you feel about that pop?
Hey guys.
What's up?
I like the new order flow update.
Yeah? Yeah, I think it's cool.
Mm.
Hell yeah. It's pretty, I like it too. I like it too.
You're the creator.
I know. I like it. Good. Trying to figure out coloring was a little tricky, but I think I got it now.
Yeah, no, I think that's fine. Yeah, as long as the green and red stand out for when, you know, buys and sells. The others in between.
I agree. We found ourselves a little trade here. Pretty good. Hopefully it'll make it to the
level, the next level.
Yeah. Momentums it's got right now, be good. But we've already tapped into it with that spike right there.
Oh,
so
yeah.
we'll see. But yeah, I have it going on NinjaTrader too. I'm just making sure it's working right before I send out the update. But you have to have order flow data for NinjaTrader for it to work. Well, it'll use an approximate, but order flow is better, or the data is better, unless you have your own cash account. And then I think it comes with. I think it's included with them, or you have to pay for the shit. For NinjaTrader. Good trade. Keep pushing. Yeah,
It's going up.
good momentums.
There it goes.
Hell yeah. Get it.
So, the TradingView, they have like this ultimate one, which is what, 200 or something per month? I just out of curiosity, like, what you could get tick information on that, or what is it?
I think it's tick data, yeah.
Okay.
I'm never gonna do it with them. I just use NinjaTrader. It's just ridiculous to pay that much money to get tick data.
I've always been curious, like, why it's been so expensive per month.
I have no idea. I mean, that's expensive.
Yeah.
Now, if you take their Black Friday deal they do every year and get it, then it would be bad.
Oh yeah, then that makes sense. Yeah. That's how I got. I think it was on they had a Thanksgiving one, and I got for the whole year.
Yeah, that's when I do.
Is it
like
yeah?
Premium's like $250 a year or something like that. Cheap. Yeah, I think this is going good. Going all the way to the TP. It doesn't go. Someone hacked it. 100-point push. 112. Not bad.
Oil futures must be going up because Trump made it clear he wants to take the oil from Iran.
Yep. Well, it's kind of becoming obvious what he's doing, and to be honest with you, is pretty fucking smart. He's removing China's and Russia's ability to fuel their shit, and that'll stop them from being able to wage war against us. Because that's where they get all their fuel, was from Venezuela, from Iran, and
Yeah.
if they can't get their fuel from them anymore, then they can't
Yeah, that's true. Actually, makes
blow
sense.
us up. So, plus Iran can shoot the UK right now if they wanted to.
Can their missiles go? I don't
Oh,
actually
yeah.
know much about the range.
Oh yeah,
but yeah,
no, they
can
have
go.
them. They proved it
Okay.
the other day.
But yeah, Andy Garcia, that base,
I think it was, yeah.
they.
And they have a bone to pick with you guys too. So holy shit. I mean, they can't hit me, but I don't know. You'd be like hearing Misty, like, what was that noise? Oh fuck.
Yeah, I'll be like, this is what Cowboy said would happen. I should have paid attention.
Man, I don't
Well,
know the answer to everything, but if it's gonna make this fucking pump, just keep on talking. But don't. I did catch this one on an eval. I've been sitting here, trying to lose money on it because it has a consistency goal, and I would just
Oh,
look at this
okay.
shit.
Oh my
I need that to be 1500 max, and I had my take profit set, but it slipped all the way through. And I was
So
sitting
what,
here.
why was that? Was there a news or a pump for something?
Yeah, Trump tweeted
Oh, okay.
about fucking Iran's something about
Okay, so
I think
that's why.
about they're taking out their power or something. I don't know.
That's it. Quite an ask to try and get it down.
I mean, I was just like, I wonder if this is gonna go up. So I just put one mini on it with the stop loss like right down here somewhere, right? And I was like, fuck it. If it runs, cool, right? And then all of a sudden it boom, I was like, what the fuck? And it didn't close. It closed, it slipped like hell. It wouldn't close. And I was like, so then I tried to lose money in this chop and I just kept making money right here. I was like, fuck it, I'll just deal with it later. Because I saw this trade coming in and I didn't want to lose it, you know? Like,
yeah, I know.
not gonna mess around with this eval while I'm getting a real trade coming in here. But let's see. Hopefully
Okay.
this keeps pushing. Let's go. Mr. Nazi Ducky. Push, push, push. Holy crap. That's kind of scary right there, that yellow.
So the yellow indicates like it's chop or consolidation or sort of just not going in the direction.
The order flow is not agreeing with trade shield. So
Yeah,
it could be
okay.
a pullback or it could be signs of a you know, a reversal or something. Yep. But I'm gonna just assume it's a pullback on this, you know, and then we'll see. But yeah, so it's taking the footprint charts and the balances and imbalances, and delta, and then comparing it against trade shields logic, and then if they're agreeing with each other or not, that's where you're starting to get all these different colors in the zones and all that. Which is
so technical. I mean, that's a lot to code, no?
Oh yeah, it was a bitch. It was a pain in the ass. Just the idea is trying to figure out like, okay, how can I make this work? Because I've been toying with it for a while, sitting there going, how can I use footprint data with our own with the zones, with the value zones?
Yeah.
And it's been just the idea of what to do was kind of difficult. See, now we're getting into gray, becoming full neutral, and I don't like it. But I'm just gonna have to deal with it because I'm in the trade. It's a beautiful trade so far. Keep right.
So how long did it take you to manage to actually code this up?
I've been toying with the idea for months.
Okay. And so the actual coding was like a gradual process, like hit
Yeah,
trial and error.
yeah, pretty much.
Mm.
And then breaking things, and then, hey Claude, why is this broke? Type stuff, you know.
Yeah.
But then he'll break it too, though. So, can't really rely on that shit anymore. I think it'll eventually get really to the point where you could probably fully rely on AI, but not yet, because it'll break. It'll break things. Like you'll tell it to do something and be like, don't touch anything else, do this and tell me why this is doing this. Like, you know what I mean? Just trying to find help. And it'll completely just dismantle everything else to fix one thing. And it's like, oh, for fuck's sakes. So it's not.
Yeah, no, I think we're.
Go ahead.
Yeah, no, I was just gonna say, I think yeah, you can't fully rely on it just yet, AI, to do, you know, programming in the way that a human would want to do it.
Right.
You know.
But it's coming.
One of my friends, she has a website, so she works with a partner in which they have a payment system, and she said we managed to get, I mean, it sounds awful, but they could lay off one programmer, like a coder, because of these like Claude, GPT, and all of them. But then you still need someone else to kind of oversee, is it correct, and is it flowing correctly?
Yep, you got to have someone that knows what it should be doing.
Yeah.
It still needs validation.
That's it. Yeah.
But for mundane, everyday tasks, yeah, dude, if that's your job, you're fucked.
Oh yeah.
Like, I mean, if you're just the maintainer of anything, you're screwed. You better go figure out how to do something else.
Yeah.
Because it can maintain and it can do a lot of things that you don't. People are screwed.
I mean, when ChatGPT, I think version 4 came out, one of my friends, her sister, she works in copywriting for media, for websites and things. She was out of the job very quickly because they started, you know, they could do all that for what, £20 a month subscription to ChatGPT. Yep. That's awful.
It is awful, but it's been happening for a long time. Automation, I think it was in plants, manufacturing, that was first. But yep. What are you to do? I don't know. Learn how to trade.
That's what I've been telling my friend, just learn to trade, you'll be fine. And if you start now and by the time you get good at it, it'll be worth it. Yeah,
100%. The only problem is most people won't, like this right here is $300, right? I mean, the average US citizen makes $25 an hour. That's the average hourly rate. If they work 8 hours, they're only, you know, what is that? That's $200. So they've already, right now, right here is more than their daily wage, but they will not click close and take this.
Yeah. They'll try and push for more.
Yes. And then they'll lose what they did have. Right, Ladots?
Yeah, it's a thing. It's called American greed.
Yeah.
I think it's universal greed. Sure, even here it'd be the same.
Yep. I don't know. I made a post or a video a long time ago about what people like, my opinion on what your daily goal should be. And I basically said take your annual salary and divide it by 252, which is the number of trading
read that.
days. Yeah. And then that's your daily goal. Hit it for the first year, and then start scaling in on the second year. And after that, you've replaced your income. But people won't do it. So they want, oh, I want this to be 10,000 right now.
Yeah, that's just it. It's the slow grow, organic growth nobody wants to do, because they assume that trading is just a path to making riches and stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure if that's just because of influences from like media and stuff like that, or it's just their own greed when they see those figures and they think, oh wow, it didn't take the effort to, travel, go to work, do all that, and so they think maybe I can just make more by just sitting here and waiting for it to go up. I don't know. It's psychology, like you always talk about. Psychologies,
But you do have a lot of the YouTubers sensationalizing everything all the time. Most of
like you called them gurus.
The furers, the gurus.
Yes.
It's all fake. It's all fake to get you to use their coupon code.
Yeah, I think that there's a couple of things, right? I think people also tend to get overconfident very quickly, right? So you make a couple of trades and you go, wow, this really isn't that tough, right? And then you start, but you make a couple of good trades following the guidelines or the rules and using the right tools, and then you start getting confident and comfortable with yourself and with maybe with going into drawdown, right? And you're like, oh, it's going to come back. I've done it 100 times, right? Where I'm like, I'm not really following the rules, but I had a good day, so I'm up whatever, $500. I'll take a little risk because I really feel has nothing to do with the tools telling you whatever. I really feel like it's gonna go up, right? But you don't have any stats in your, there's no statistics or data driving it. It's just feel, and it goes the wrong way.
You and your intuition,
right.
I've been trading for 3 months and I feel like it's gonna do this. Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
But you're right. I mean, that all boils down to psychology at the end of the day.
Yeah, no, you're right. It's so true. The different levels and stages of trading, and that's one of I think one pitfall or something one should say is the beginner's confidence that, give it 3-4 months. You think, oh, this is easy. I'm so good at it. And then as soon as the market changes, something happens, and then
right.
That's when you realize that, oh, you're not adapting to it, or you don't have a system. So yeah, everyone I think has gone through that.
Yes.
Absolutely.
And I mean, I can definitely say with gold, everybody assumed gold would just be, going higher and higher because of the war. And, and they proved that wrong.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it has had such a huge run, even with the war. It's gotta come back down a little bit,
Yeah, no, exactly.
Well, they're going to take profit. They're not just going to let it go forever. They're going to get their money. See, the only people that think hold forever are the dumb retail traders. The institutions and the market makers, they're constantly in and out. Like, that's it. They're not.
Right.
They're not. They're getting profit. Yeah, they're doing this to make money. And if you don't close your position, you don't make any money. So, what'd you say? Huh? What?
I said they're not Warren Buffett buy and hold for 40 years.
Well, that's stock. That's different, right? Because he's just leveraging.
I don't even know if some retail traders, I don't even know if they distinguish the difference, right? They're like, oh, it's trading. Trading is trading. If you think it's good, you buy it and hold it. But to your point, you got to be in. You want to. I don't know. I mean, there's different philosophies all the way around, right? But
you're right, because I know if anyone, like if I ever mention, oh, I trade, they assume it's what Warren Buffett does, like, oh, so you just buy the stock and you leave it. And then you explain to them, no, it's like I'm a day trader, I retail trade, so I don't hold positions for very long and this and that. And for them, it's a bit like, what's that? I mean, they don't really understand that concept because in their heads they've seen what, you know, oh, you buy Apple stock or, you know, Tesla stock, Amazon stock, and you keep it until, you know, then it just keeps getting more and more valuable. And so, but they don't really understand the concept of day trading or retail trading until I explain it to them. I don't think they really know that. So yeah, that's been an eye-opener for me, that most people don't realize what day trading or retail trading is. They just assume all trading is the same, that you buy the stock and you leave it and it'll go up and you get lucky. I mean, if the company does well.
Investing, right? Like
yeah, exactly. That's it.
No. That's not very fun.
No, not at all. I'm pretty sure I've got ADHD now because of trading.
Or maybe it found you because of it.
Yeah, let's say it like that. That's a good way of saying it. So yeah, I think I'm going to use that.
You're welcome to it.
Well, what is this gonna do? Just chilling. Kyle speaks at 10:30. Yeah, that would be nice. A little worried about it since we've already reached this ladder already once, but you know, just gonna do whatever it wants to do.
So, is it like, because the times changed from our side only yesterday? Between Saturday and Sunday. Is it 8:30 or 9:30 there now for you?
8:44.
Sorry?
It's 8:44.
So 8:44. Okay, so cool. It's back to the normal time. Yeah.
I have 2 computers going, and they each have a different time. That's not good.
So that's what I was checking, yeah. So it's back to the normal time, because when it hits 9:30 a.m. for you guys, it's 2:30 here.
Yeah, so you're 6 hours, 5 hours.
We're 5 hours ahead of you.
Yep.
You guys must have heard that joke when that tweet where this someone had said, oh, Australia's 24 hours ahead of the world. And so there was a tweet by a girl saying, if they're ahead by 24 hours, why did they not warn us about 9/11? What the hell?
What?
It's a wow.
Yeah, exactly. Unbelievable. But there definitely are some people out there who are thinking that way.
I'm sure they are.
You don't want to meet them in a dark alley.
Oh God, no.
Try to explain to them what Zulu time is then. That would just blow their minds. Things can happen at the same time all across the world. Yeah.
Wow.
Yep, the Earth really is fucking round too. Anybody that's ever been in an airplane knows that. It doesn't take, like, I don't know. I can't argue with the flat earthers. I'm just like, have you been in a plane?
Yeah.
Have you never been on a commercial plane? Look out the window? See the curve?
It's always fun to listen to people and their concepts and what they believe in. Then I'm probably the worst person, because what I do is when I know I can't change their minds and all that, I'll add to it and just go with it.
No way.
And just come up with something stupid. Just to toy with them a little bit, because in my head I'm like, I know I can't make you change your perceptions and your views, so I might as well have my own fun. I know it's mean, But some people are just ridiculous.
Well, Dots thinks the Earth is flat. Ask him.
Absolutely.
See?
You just walk and then fall off the end.
No, there's an ice wall.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, there's an ice wall.
Games of Thrones, man.
I know, I was thinking just that.
Yeah, where do you think they got the idea for the movie? Or the show?
They stole it from real life.
Yeah.
I so called it when they were gonna turn one of the dragons into one of the Ice Walker things. I was like, that's so gonna happen.
Really?
Because it seemed... I didn't ruin it for I ruined it for one friend. I was like, come on, it's gonna happen. Just wait.
Yeah, they needed some artillery on that side.
Oh yeah. And when the dragon got killed, I was like, one of the dragons, because there were 3 dragons, and I was like, yeah, I definitely see one of them becoming a villain. And my friend's like, no, don't be stupid. And then afterwards, when it happened, she was like, please stop telling me stuff and ruining it.
You might have a future in writing. You know, team up with Claude or Grok or your AI choice, and you get a future in writing movies, and actually you could produce them.
Yeah. 8 seconds at
I'll
a
start
time.
with... Oh yeah, exactly. I just want a bit of you know, a little bit of capital through trading, and then I can do this.
There you go.
What's he gonna do? Sit here and just bounce around till open? That was
Feels like.
maybe. We'll be right back. stop with this retracement.
No, just pops at the top, man.
Quick question: do we need to change any settings on the order flow?
You stop there. We didn't hear what you asked. Change any settings on what?
On the order flow. Or do we just leave them as default?
Then a question for Cowboy. Cowboy, you there? I think Cowboy might have stepped away again.
Okay.
It's fighting us, huh? It's fighting.
Yeah. Hey, Cowboy, Erwin had some questions on, I'm not sure if it's Trade Shield. Go ahead, Erwin.
Oh yeah, no, it's on the order flow settings.
Yeah.
On the upgrade, do we need to change anything, or do we just leave the parameters as?
Nah, just default. It's good. I wouldn't mess with them. I'm probably gonna just remove the option to even mess with it. I don't know. Maybe somebody wants to play with it, but I wouldn't.
Got it.
I wouldn't mess with them at all. Fuck did they go? Good God! Oh, here they are. That's just your typical footprint settings right there. You get your value area, then your imbalances percentages. Then this is your stacked imbalances. This is for stacked imbalances are lining up with the value zones. 3 minimum.
Yeah.
You don't want any less than that, or you're going to get a bunch of false shit. And then the ticks per hour, you don't really, yeah. 100 is fine. And then show table. I think I broke that. Fuck, I did. Look it. It's not even there. All right, I'll have to fix that. And then yeah. Then we got, even with your volume dots, it, you know, it's gonna help as well. With both. That was obviously an explosion there. Right here and then right here, but I'm going to figure out how to do a book map style on NinjaTrader to go along with it that correlates as well. So but you gotta have order flow data or level 2 data. Maybe even level 3, I'm not sure. Have to look at their shit. Oh, look at order flow sell. So we are in a definitely in a indecisive looking type thing here, or just a battle going on. Got a new hour candle just formed.
Hell yeah. Turn green, candle.
It just rips. Looking at it.
I know. Sweet. Optimistic beginning.
I was just thinking that word, yeah. Optimism.
Listen. There we go. There we go. Boom.
Bigger chop.
Well. Just push.
Right.
So I kept trying to lose money on that account that I need to lose money on, and now it's like at 4,000.
Does that happen today?
Huh?
I mean, because once the day closes,
No, I have till the end of the day. Yeah, I have until the end of the day. So that P&L I showed you was my attempt at getting half of an eval done. I just said fuck it and like bought a mini right here and put my stop here and just targeted up here just to see what would happen earlier. I was like, nah, whatever, it'll run or it won't, right?
Oh, dude!
But my TP was at $1,500, and it slipped through it because this was so insane. And then I sat there and tried to lose it, and now I'm up 4,000, and I need to get back down to 1,500. Couldn't lose the money, dude. Just kept fucking. The whip was so bad. Then I was like, okay, so then I reversed what I was doing, and it still kept going. They just reversed what they were doing. I was like, how do they know?
It's the worst. Is it a take profit trader account?
No, it's that fifth fucking one from Lucid I keep trying to do. I keep fucking it up. I don't know why I can't get the account done.
I gotta check out for a minute. Back.
So now it'll be, none of them will be the same. I was trying to keep them all the same, but they're not gonna be. No, I can't get any more TPTs. I'm maxed out. Come on, push. Push. Push, don't come down. That's not pushing. That's the wrong way. forever. Taking forever.
Maybe once the market opens, there'll be a push, possibly.
Yeah, that would be great. Hopefully not a drop.
Mm.
Oh God, here he comes. Ugh, sit here for an hour to get to here and then take it from you in 30 seconds. What's it gonna do? What's our RR on this? Looks pretty good, honestly. Four? Not bad.
That's really good.
If it can get there, come on, go.
Mm.
Wow. Oh, these fuckers. Alrighty. Kind of hoping this finished before the open. Yeah, everyone. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on, just run up to the TP and get it over with. What's up, Beth?
Getting a little worried that this is gonna, if it doesn't get up to the TP before 9:30, it's gonna zip down and then zip up.
Possibly. But guess what?
That.
Guess what?
We size properly so we can handle it.
That's right. And you accepted the risk when you hit the button. Have you looked at the new onboarding yet?
I didn't, man. I mean, it's been a morning. I'll clue you in on it some other time, but it has been a morning.
I'm redoing it all, dude. Everything's redone. Everything's being done.
I love the new website.
Yeah.
Of the refresh.
Oh yeah.
Looks really good, man.
Yeah, everything needed it, man. Everything needs it.
It did jump on the WAP this morning, and then things started happening. So it's fine.
Whatever. Whatever, man.
Crazy.
Whatever. I would love for this just to open, just to come in and go whoop, straight to it.
That would be nice.
That would be pretty slick. Or right before it, 9:25. That would be good. Cool. Little nice 100-pointer right before we start. The day really starts out. I don't know. I fucking call it a day then. See you later. I still gotta lose all this money on this other account. Fuck. Oh, I hate that shit, dude.
Right.
So stupid.
Really. I couldn't accidentally make thousands of dollars.
Right? Yeah. I'm at $2,500 over. It's just been like a straight, just gentle walk up since 9 p.m. Just, here we go. We're going up, guys.
Did you actually see the Trump tweet this morning, or you just know that it was a Trump tweet?
I know I didn't see it, but then I went and looked, and there it was. From our Financial Juice. I saw it on Financial Juice. Push, push, my friend, push.
Get up there. You can do it.
Yeah. You can do it. I'm growing very tired of the trading community, my friend.
Of the trading community?
Yeah.
Wait,
Present company excluded?
No, not ours. I'm with you.
oh, okay.
Talking about like on X and just in general, like it's full of fake fucks. It's full of these ICT push-in Riris, and then you just have all the numbskull, honestly, idiots out there that just fall for it, and then you try to tell them like, yo, you're being conned. You don't know what you're talking about. Okay. I just sick of them. You know, why don't you, well, if your shit works, why are you sharing it? You know what? You know what? You're right. Why am I?
I think now that you're trying to make it you're going down the more exclusive route, it might actually work in your favor, because this way, when the psychology, when something's harder to get into, then they think, wow, there's that like psychological barrier thinking that, okay, this stuff must be something, and so yeah, I think that's a good move. And I really like your new website. It's really swish.
Thanks.
I'm going to borrow the word swish.
Thank you. Yeah, no, it's. I mean, I knew that you would improve it anyway, because you were wanting to do that. You did mention before, and saying now that when I saw it, it looks so much better.
Thanks. Yeah, still got a lot more to do to it, but it's functional now.
Yeah, no, and I like the fact that you've mentioned at what stages traders tend to be, the level, and I definitely see level 3 being where, most get stuck, myself included at times. But it's just gradually, it's hard to, there's a disconnect between understanding your psychology is a huge part of this trading game, understanding it. And that's the hardest thing, not realizing that,
It is, and being brutally honest with yourself is the hardest thing to do too.
Yeah, exactly.
Because you can win, and then lose, and then you're negating the losses in your mind because you're winning.
Yeah, exactly.
And
because at the end of the day, if your account is still, if you started with, let's say, $1,000,
right,
and you end up with $900 and you still win, but you're losing as well. But at the end of the month, if you've got $900, essentially you've lost.
Right.
Your account's just gone down. And it's kind of the biggest, what's the word? It's like trading's gaslighting you.
Right. It is. Your wins are, what you're doing, how to get into trades at that point, right? Like, the thing is you just still haven't locked in risk management and profit factor, and that isn't clicking in your brain yet. Like some people I know on here, that word name starts with a L. And until you do that, until you force yourself to use percentage-based risk and just stuff like position management and things like that. Until you do that, your losses are going to always bring you back to break even. So it's just a couple little things that have to change to push you over the top where you're starting to make more than you're losing. And
exactly.
It's really hard for people to grasp that. And then and then you have your tilting and your over leveraging.
Trading out of boredom.
Yep.
Yeah. The few times what I have hit a target and stupidly, I'll be like, if I've done the target early on in the day with gold, for example, in the London session before work starts, and then afterwards while at work, I'll stupidly think, oh, okay, well, I've hit my target. Maybe I can make a bit extra. And then lo and behold, I've lost what I made.
It is the most common way I've done it. I can't tell you how many times. Look at this. They brought it right back. Oh, 928. Here we go.
Yeah. So
but yeah, that happens more often than not. That's why Trade Shield's going to help, because it's going to lock in when you set your goal. That's it. Account's locked.
That's good.
Yeah. Same with daily loss or the high water. Trailing does the same thing. And people need that. Yeah, Beth has done it too. Everybody has. I've done it plenty of times. Dude, I almost lost a funded account the other day that I was $200 away from max payout.
Yeah, it was a Friday.
Yeah, it was Friday.
Was it? Yeah.
And I mean, I recovered it, but it really took me just gritting down and reducing risk and taking base hits, you know? Like, it was like...
Man, I have been up, like, in funded accounts where I had 3,000 that I could pull out and blow the account.
Yeah.
It's disgusting. Like, at this point, I make mental notes. I'm like, dude, I'm up $1,000 or 3,000 or whatever in a funded account that I can collect. I stopped trading it. I wanted to throw myself out a window after that. I was so pissed at myself.
Probably gonna go break even here just in case it does whip down at the open.
But yeah, no, I agree. Lidarts, I mean, I've been there with so many times. I've hit the target early on, because with London and gold tends to, you know, it has quite a bit of movement and stuff, so I can hit a target. And then by the time the US session, that always screws me over. And I still never learn. The US session tends to always get me.
Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah. Just go up. Yeah. It's gonna do it, dude. Yeah. It's gonna fucking come down first. For fuck's sakes, man. To be sitting here this long just trying to... Oh, man, come on.
I'll rip it through the roof, dude. Come on, go get it. Get up there. Now go. Go on. Yeah. Get up there. Fucking go. Ugh. That's not what I want to see. Get up there, man.
I'm going under this 15 because it's going to dump. I'm going to at least lock in something. Fucking motherfuckers, dude. Oh, yeah, of course. Are you serious? Dude, they did not just do that to me.
They just... Oh my god, they just did that. That's wrong.
Bricks. Now I'm risking more. Oh, now it's not gonna go. Huh.
Come on, keep going, keep going.
There. Go on. Get up there.
What?
Oh, fuckers, come on. Fly. Fly!
I'll try and scalp this. No, they're gonna fucking dump it on me, dude. I can't believe they came down here, hit my fucking and then it's instantly, I mean, like instantly went back up. Look at that. See that?
Oh, yeah. What was it?
But now they won't run it.
Nah, probably not. I don't know, they run it the other way. Maybe there's one more green rip in it.
Nah, they're gonna fucking dump it, dude.
Pop it! See, this is a classic example. I'm exemplifying being optimistic in a bad position now.
No, I'm about to close this shit, dude. I'm about to be done with it.
I don't want to close it. I want to just keep leaving it open.
Well, that's stupid.
Keep going.
That's right. It's a classic example. It's the, hope and pray.
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe that just fucking happened, dude. That is so aggravating. Yep. So they're gonna dump it.
Yeah.
Well, that happened. Sat here since 8:12 to the open just to get stopped at a break even for them to rip it back up and then for them to go ahead and just dump it down again. Thank you. Thank you, market makers. And that is great. We could have at least finished the fucking move.
I'm just scalping this counter trend. Like, it's falling.
What are they gonna do, man? What are they gonna do?
Back down, no.
They just swept that order block there. They ran this all night.
Yeah.
And they're gonna dump the living fuck out of it today. Okay. All right. Nope, I'm just gonna wait on the setup then. Or I might just call it a day. I don't know. If they're gonna start going bear from here, I don't have a setup for now. I'm not gonna trade against it. It's fucking ignorant. I am not gonna trade against it. We'll see. We're still above standard deviation. Yeah. We're right at 1. So they could just do a VWAP dump and then bring it right back. Who knows? But I'm not trading against Trade Shield. Not. Actually, I'm going to try and lose that money on that one account right now. Hold on a second.
There you go.
40 contracts. 100 ticks. Buy. I can't lose some. What the fuck? Oh my god. Trade Shield shut it off because I'm fucking because it goal hit. I'm gonna have to shut off Ninja Trader to do it. What the hell was that? Yeah. Quick.
Oh, Fed, what's his name? He's speaking today.
At 10:30, yeah. That's gonna cost some hell. For sure.
I thought he was gonna be out. Well, Trump had like someone else he wanted.
I don't know how all that works.
Yeah, I don't know. That is a huge dump. Wow.
I think it's just going to be a false breakdown. Not sure though.
Yeah, I think so too. You just don't know how far down it's going to go before.
I mean, it's hitting, so it's about to hit an hour swing low right here at 375-ish. So right now, yeah, it's doing it. So that'll be pretty significant swing low. Unless this just dumpster fires. And if it does, it's not going to stop, and then I'll eventually get into legitimate trade shorting. Because we'll blow through. I just don't see that happening, man. Like, we got to come down 100, 200, 300, almost 400 points.
Yeah.
To consider this rotational. I don't know. They're fucking probably just going to raise it right here the rest of the day.
Let's see.
There, it hit my it hit the pivot on the decision levels. See? And right around.
Yep.
Look at that. See that?
Yeah. Yep.
Going back up, possibly.
Well, it didn't take the low because this is the low right here. So this is the hour low. That was the hour high. So there's the area. Did it take it yet? No. There you go. Just took it there. See what happens here. And it continues to fall.
Feels like there's nothing to trade till the what Fed says. Wow, it's just falling.
Yeah, they're bouncing price out probably, but who shorted this? The dots.
What's up, Bubba?
I know you did, didn't you?
What?
Shorted this.
I did not short it.
I heard you saying, come on. I know you shorted this. Fucking degenerate.
I didn't. I wish I did.
I know you did.
I remember I'm the dumb guy that goes fucking counter trend, right? But what's Trade Shield reading right now?
We're back into
bullets, right?
No, it's
I really think this is gonna be.
It's in no trade right now.
Yeah, I'm not in a trade. I'm typing out emails like it's my job.
Oh,
because it is.
Gotcha.
And I'm listening for the next activity that you go, oh, I think now we've gotten to.
I don't think we're going to have a trade until Pal talks, because I'm not fucking entering anything off this. It's going to bounce around and consolidate its ass off. This is just a straight, and I'm not catching a knife's edge either, so. No thanks.
The funded accounts, do they let you trade news?
Some don't, some do.
Okay. So yeah, I'm just out of it until the news is done.
Well, it's only like, if they have rules against it, it's like 2 minutes before, like 2 minutes after, or something like that. What's up, David? Yeah, I'm not fucking with this shit, dude. Not a chance. It's just straight dumpster diving. People that chase this shit right here, those are the ones that pop accounts all the time. Just letting you guys know.
Yeah, because it becomes a lucky trade.
Not really, there was. It could have rebounded and he was just chasing price. It could have turned around at that hour low there. It could have turned around at that. There's all kinds of places where it could have said, fuck you, boom. I can just look at what I was looking at right here. So we like right here, I'm looking at our decision levels, and the we're reacting towards them, and then we have our volume profiles, and we're looking at value areas, and we're dumping through point of control here, point of control on this little news, whatever the fuck that was, and then you could fade it, but I'm not. I'll wait until we break the other side and go bearish before I start trying to scalp this out. Just because once you've been burned a million times trying this shit right here, you learn your fucking lesson. The one time that it does work out isn't worth the 50 it doesn't.
Yeah, that's true.
No. YOLO away. But we got a new hour candle here. I need to see what it's gonna do. Feel the dots. Look at my screen.
It's beautiful. This first one.
What?
Yeah, the multi-time frame.
No, this isn't.
Looking at.
This is Black Flag, dude. You're so clueless.
Oh, okay.
You think think it's a black flag the other way? No. No, this is where I still need coaching.
I keep thinking of pirates when you say Black Flag.
Pirates treasure.
Dude, if this plays out, it's about to fucking crash. Hard. Like, this was nothing.
I don't think it's just going to continue from the black flag.
I don't know. That's a big gap. I mean, it's huge. 700 points between the zones. I think they're about to wreck everybody and bring this right back up.
That's what I think too. I think they're going to be bottom this thing, or they're going to bring it up.
Let's see. But that, I mean, possible, but that would, this looks like an hour supply created right here. But I mean, it could run it straight back up. It could. I'm gonna throw one on it just in case they do. Fuck it. course. So we're just gonna crash out the rest of the day. This is starting to turn out, and this is starting to play. Oh, hold on a second. Get some ready here. Are we witnessing the world die right now?
Can't be. Trump is so full of hope.
Holy shit. This is London's low right here. Being respected though. Yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna definitely try for this. I'm gonna add in as we confirms.
but it's the original TP.
Really? Okay. Do 15 in what, like 2 minutes, 1 minute? This is where we're going to find out.
It was it's his speech at 2:30. Oh, sorry, 3:30.
10:30. Well, 10:30 more time.
10:30. Yeah.
Time.
Yeah, 10:30 your time.
Yep.
Normally they don't do it on a Monday.
Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. What his speech is about. Kind of odd though.
Mm.
Come on, run up there. I'm only using the VIX to help me out on this one right here. Here's what it's looking like. Yeah, I'm closing this. I think we're about to actually dump. Yep, I'm not, I think I'm just gonna call it a day. I don't like what's going on. Just don't like it. We're getting fucking consolidated in here and don't.
Dangerous day to trade, man. That's
huh?
Dangerous day to trade. No
yeah.
particular reason to be in this market.
No,
yeah.
it dumped really fast, and now I mean we knew we were going to get into some consolidation here, but
yeah.
it's not I don't need it that bad. Like there's somebody like there's this could go either way. I mean, it could go straight back up or it could go straight the fuck down. Like look at it. I'm not stupid. We're bearish right here, and we had a major pullback into this area there, and we also hit this end cap from the day before. So, but it could go either way. I mean, so they don't want to. They're gonna hold it. They're gonna hold it here until he talks, dude. That's what I said. They're bringing it back to a balanced area, and look at right inside the daily zone. Doesn't get any more balance than that. I don't know. Maybe come back in an hour.
Yeah, wait till it all settles after what he says. Right. I will have to go to work anyway.
Yeah.
I'll catch you guys later. Thank you for the
See ya.
session.
Yep.
See ya.
I mean, this log is starting to play out, but it's not moving. So they're holding air. Gotta wait.
Yeah.
Just gotta wait. Be right back.
Okay.
Yeah, nothing going on here.
Yeah, it's not spectacular. I think I'm just gonna call it. Focus on work.
Me?
I'm gonna wait for him to say something, but yeah. See which way they take it.
Is he speaking this afternoon?
In 4 minutes.
Oh, okay. All right, never mind. I'll stick that.
So I thought. Yeah, 10:30. The chat's going crazy. Let's see what you see this chat. I was speaking to Harvard. Apparently.
Hey, good morning.
Yeah.
Feel miserable today. Got that hay fever real bad.
That sucks.
Yeah, I did make a lot of money this morning though, so that makes me feel better.
You shorted that?
No, I made a good play last night. Got 540 on one account, 840 on the other.
Hell yeah.
Doing the thing you taught me to do.
What, sit on your hands?
Yeah, mostly.
There you go.
Wait for the rest of it.
Yeah. That's the only way to make money. They're holding us right here for POW.
Yeah. Wonder what he's gonna say.
I don't know, I'm streaming it. Probably something stupid. Apparently he's talking to Harvard. Don't tell me they're gonna do it right now. Push this right now? Come on, man. Give me the right setup. Stop fucking around. Huh? Stop it. We were in this right here, or we were in it at 8:30 right here on this push here. And what they got breaking.
I can't see what you're pointing to, but are you talking about the NQ?
Yeah. But at 9:30 they dumped it, so we got break even. Fucking motherfuckers. They dumped it to daily zone, balanced out price, and now they're gonna wait for this fucker to speak. And of course he's gonna be not on time. I'm gonna go get some chips and dip. Be like a movie.
All right. I'll get popcorn.
There he is. Salsa con queso. I don't know if this guy's going to do anything in the market at all.
This doesn't really seem like the kind of forum where he would be giving anything that's going to move the market.
No, but it's still on all the things as red folder news. But,
I'm not seeing it as red folder on TradingView.
TradingView's, I don't pay attention to that shit. You go to Forex Finder or forexfactory.com.
Okay.
It's okay. I got some salsa con queso. No, he's definitely talking about economics right now. Yeah, screw him. He ain't doing nothing for us. Probably gonna cause us to fucking get into losses. I still don't see this just crashing out anymore. I mean, anything can happen, but look at this right here.
We may very well bounce today, and I think it's going to crash after that. There just hasn't been any strength in this market, but you know, we had 2 pretty significant red days in a row, so yeah, we could be in for a bounce.
Man, this is... You know what that is? You know what this is right here?
A big in cap.
A very good opportunity to make a shit ton of fucking money for the next 8 months.
How do you figure? Is that monthly or yearly or what?
Yearly. I mean, look at what happens when it goes down and goes back up. Here's April. Here's December. April, December. April, December. This year it went down. Hit end cap. Went up the next year. See? About to put some contracts on a cash account.
Okay, that's very interesting.
What? You haven't seen this before? Bullshit.
No, I haven't looked at it.
Dude, I got videos about this, man. This is how I get into the annual shit. This is a monthly and an annual.
I haven't looked at it on the NQ, though, is what I mean.
Oh,
I've seen you show it before.
It's amazing on NQ. I turned it into a, well, I didn't turn it to an algo, but I just made it so I could run statistics on it, and it has an 86% win rate over 25 years.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's probably something you shouldn't ignore. But all them dumbass ICT traders and fucking everybody else on all the social medias and everything else, they'll ignore the fuck out of it. Because the majority of people are just stupid. What are you gonna do right here, Mr. Nazi? God, it got shut down. Look at that. Holy shit. Maybe they are gonna crash this thing out. 9 minutes left on this hour candle. I just don't have a trade. Financial Juice is blowing me up over this fucking PAL shit. I gotta shut him off, dude. Holy shit. I'm getting a notification every second.
That's a little overkill. I know what we could do real quick while we wait on the market to fucking make up its mind. I don't know. Take a nap?
No. Till tomorrow?
That's what I'm about to do. Let's go take a nap. What are you doing?
I was about to about to show you this real quick. I just have to add the source. No. What is that? That's not right. What am I doing? Oh, goodness. There we go. There we go. And then, watch this. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. The hell? Price is literally just sitting still. There. So, can you hear this? Right here. How many times have you seen posts like this on X? It's just like, whatever, man. You know, in hindsight, what you know, you ICT. What? Oh, I tell you what. There's a much easier way to take this same trade using CRT with extremely advanced tools that they just don't want you to know about. And I'm going to tell you about it right now. I'm actually going to show it to you. Here you go. Yeah, everybody can post videos like or pictures like that and say, oh, this is all you need. Okay, well, yeah. All right. Check this out. This is the 4-hour candle right here turned into a value zone. This is a 15-minute candle turned into this zone here. Every one of these is 15 minutes. This is the 4-hour starting here at 2 a.m. Here's another one at 6 a.m. starting. This is the down on that, the little pattern you got there. This is the drop. And then here is going to be the base 4-hour candle right here. So you're going to see the 15 and then the 4-hour breaks apart. Okay. And then your image is showing that you're sweeping the base. This could definitely go back up because we're into a 4-hour balance here. The drop candle, but that doesn't always happen. I'm just waiting. Okay, so it did right here. Like if you turn on the candles, you can see that this swept the low of that candle, right? But that's not an indication to get into the trade. That's the fool's errand. That's the ICT way, and that is I don't know. Wrong. Okay. I don't know. Maybe it's not. I mean, you do see most of the time it's getting swept again. So what happens is you want to wait for that base candle to be built, the 4-hour. Now look at this. There is the actual entry. See how the value has dropped and swiped this value? We don't care about candles. We don't care about price. We care about value. This is a value chart. Now, this is the new 4-hour that just started right here. The 15 comes down and swipes this 15 over here, right? So we actually had the previous the drop 4-hour candle was swiped, the base 4-hour candle was swiped, and now we have our rally 4-hour candle possibly swiping this. What is our confirmation to get into the trade? We want to see the 15 break above the 4-hour. Are you watching this? See if it does it.
Yes.
Yep, there you go. I went too fast on it. So the entry would have been right about here somewhere. And we're going to target that as our entry. Okay. Our stop loss is going to go below the value. And then we're going to target the beginning of value or even this end cap that's right here. Let me show you what an end cap is. This is the previous 4 hours close of value. So here you go. Here's your end cap right there. And let's see what happens. Here, we'll turn the candles on just to say fuck it. And there you are. Value zones on value charts. This is patent pending. Fuck ICT. Fuck ICT. So these guys right here post this shit all the time. So I post the real way to do it right here. Because the way they do this, you're guessing. Every time you see this base candle here, they do this. Well, go look on a chart and see how many times this actually plays out.
Mm-hmm.
Good luck. Now, if you do it with the way I just showed you with the 4-hour and the 15, you won't I checked on a chip.
I'm sorry, I couldn't tell what you said.
I think we're getting our trade here.
He choked. Okay.
I was choking on a chip.
Sorry,
I'm still
dude.
choking on a chip. Fuck.
I mean, I totally understand getting after it when you got queso.
I mean, it's my lunch, but fuck. Ah. I'm about to enter this longer here. Click a minute. It didn't put my take profit on again. What the hell? All right, let's see if this is going to do something here. It wasn't even choking on a chip. It was like just a little piece of it got like stuck in my throat. Like noise the hell out of you.
It doesn't take much in your windpipe to be a real problem.
Yeah, it's like irritant, like an irritant. And I kept drinking and it wasn't like fixing it. Like, what the fuck? All right, come on. Pushy, push, 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 push. This would be slick if it went all the way up to like the previous daily high or something, you know?
That would be nice.
Let's look at our decision levels. So we have ripped up above, hit the middle, pivot, dumped down, respected, swept the lows, and we're pushing. That would be a good target. 700s. And that is close to, well, no. Tuesday high is like way the fuck up here. Almost 900s, 970s. So I'll try 700s. I'm going to look for add-ins on this there. Probably see if we get another If we can get up here and get another breakdown, you know, like we're pushing and come under and then push up again right in here. I'll add in more size. Probably a lot, actually, to be honest, because if it does that, then this thing's really gonna launch, maybe. That would be a good nice good setup. And trade shield is bullish, and our order flow is saying strong buy. So, yes, sir. There's a fucking Doolittle. Look at that guy. What does he want? You'll make me $1, ho. Doolittle. Okay. A Doolittle, no talkie.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Yeah, what's up?
Good, dude.
How's it going?
Just sitting here with the kids.
Well, tell them to not make noise. I'm just kidding. I was joking. It was a joke. Calm down.
How's everything going?
Trying to get it up. Look at their fucking. Yeah, you know, the normal bullshit. We have a probably going to actually destroy this trade again, because we just can't get into the trade. They keep chopping me up. No, Powell was talking and they dumped it at the open, and now it's like everybody's like, oh, it's gonna go back down now, and then we're long, and you know, trying to
the usual.
I'm trying not to get chopped out every entry, but you know, that happens sometimes. And we're on a 4-hour imbalance push up, and now we're on a 1-hour imbalance push down, and which direction is it really gonna go? We don't have a fucking clue. Type stuff, you know.
It's the fun stuff.
I don't see this rotating all the way down, but I mean, look at what it's doing. But this is the shit that it keeps doing, that's chopping me out when I get into trades.
You got your stream paused.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
Why didn't nobody say anything?
I don't know.
But yeah, so it comes up and you get in, and then they fucking wick the shit out of you, cause you to chop, close, then it goes in your favor, and then, you know, that kind of shit.
Who is that?
Trading.
I don't know, man. I don't know what they want to do with this, dude. Looks like it might crash out again. Can't really get a grasp on like what's going on. Which is a problem. I'm just probably gonna close and just be done for the day. Oh, I have to lose like $2,000 on one account because of consistency. Fuck. Hey, dude, that's why it went up even more. I kept winning. I'm like, motherfucker. Dude, look at this right here. I guess it's gonna go bearish, dude. Yes. But every time it does this to me, I close it, it fucking rips right back up. So it's like, you know, getting annoying. Starting to get aggravated with it. Oops, where are you? And we're on an annual end cap right here. Yeah, it is. Yes. So that's like so rare to even be near it. You know? Very rare. Yeah, so they just keep whipping everything is whipped. There is no clean anything, so it's just gotta trick the fuck out of everybody. I'm just gonna hold it, dude. If I lose it, I lose it. I'm tired of getting chopped. Well, that's what happens if you just keep getting out. You just lose 10 $80 ones instead of one $200 one. But I'm in one contract and I'm down $94. One micro. That's just the whip. That's look at this. It pushes up, it breaks, and then it straight dumps. See that? Really gotta learn. You gotta get yourself voice fucking shit. What is it called? The silencing shit. No, you need to like get better stuff. Like go buy a PC or something. Dude, this is just getting aggravating, man. They're literally just whipping it every fucking direction. There's no... Look at this. They broke out again and then they dump it all over again. Crash and burn, crash and burn, crash and burn. Pop. All right, I'm out of this. You know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna sell. I'm just gonna sell it, and I'm gonna just put my stop right up here like this. Oh, great. Built detected. Gonna close the trade. Watch it start winning. Or did I have dev turned on? I had dev turned on. Look it. See that? Yeah. No follow through with anything, man. Yep. Mondays are turning into just no trade days. Hate to say it, but look at this, dude. Just what the fuck just happened? Really? What? It just changed all of my settings, dude. My God. I updated the, it told me to update and I did, and it just changed every setting I fucking have. Well, I didn't, but you gotta save your default that you want. I thought I had it saved and apparently I didn't. It'll all, anytime you install it, it'll just be saved to that one default. Sit here. I didn't want to sit here in front of the fucking computer all day, dude. I'm about to just walk away from this and just let it go. Just chop it up as a fucking shit day. Not sitting here all day. I didn't start trading to work and sit at computers for 19 hours a day. I started doing it so that I could, work for 20 minutes and be done. And this is just shit. Just shit. Just shit. Oh no. And here we go, back right up again. See, there's no nothing, man. It's just this fucking stupid tight little range it wants to trade in. And then when you go to range trade it, like I tried earlier, it fucking reversed. Look, it's just playing in here. Well, I am entering trades when Trade Shield says don't. See that right there? The X's. Stupid fuck. Yeah, I'm setting an alert right here at this ladder level, and I'm setting an alert at this ladder level.